And now let's take a look at the other menus. First one we're going to do is going to be the video menu. Let's go in, pick a video. Now the file format you use for the S3 is MPEG-4. You can go ahead and add videos using Amodio. Also, while we're in here playing a movie, change some stuff. We got our menu here. We can add a bookmark, or we can get rid of a bookmark. We can also change our DNSE settings. We have normal, drama, and action there. It's also pretty neat. We can go ahead and change our brightness depending on where we're at. We can make the screen lighter or darker. While we're in the movie there, so we can see how it looks. Head back out. Let's check one of the menus now. Next thing we got is our photo viewer, picture menu. Go and load up all of our pictures there. Okay, now that's pretty neat on here. If you have your own photos, you can do this too. You can set up your slideshow, start slideshow, or set your slideshow speed. We've also got a zoom feature on here. Go 100, 200, or 400%. Let's go 200% down here. Then it's going to allow us to crop on here. We can go and move around. As you can see, what else is pretty neat? We can go ahead and rotate. You can rotate it 90 degrees either way, or you can go 180 degrees, so flip it all the way around. Okay. Then you can go ahead and you can select it as My Skin, so if you're using the My Skin user interface, you can go ahead and make your background whatever photo you want, crop it and zoom it, and rotate it however you need it to be, and then you got your own personalized backdrop. Let's head back out of here though and see what else we got. Okay, we got FM radio on here. This is a nice feature. We've also got our Datacast. Now Datacast, you can download content using Amodio also, the website and the software you can get. You can get text and video and other stuff. Also, you can take advantage of the TTS, which is text to speech, using Amodio, which is a really neat feature. Let's check out PrimePack. Okay, I got our text viewer, games, alarm clock, and world clock. First thing let's take a look at the games. Play pizza delivery for a minute. Okay, I'm starting the game. Point is to drive around and not fall in anything. Gotta bounce your little scooter up and down. If you fall, whoops. Okay. Head back out. Close out of that. Get out of the game menu. Head up to text, take a look at this now. Only got one thing on here, but you can go ahead and download ebooks or whatever text documents if you want. See, if you got music playing, you change the volume. Change your page that way, just flipping side buttons. See the options we've got. We can change our font size on here, so if you need it bigger, or if you want it smaller so you can have like more lines of text on there, make it easier to read, whatever your preference is, set it right there. Go back to medium. We can also change our text viewer color, so whatever is easier for you to read. Cycle 3 have a lot of different options to choose from. Let's go back out. We've got our alarm here. We can set our alarm clock. I know you're saying there's no built-in speaker on here, but that's why Samsung came out with the SD210. We can go ahead and just plug this right into it. It turns on as soon as it's plugged in, and we can use this as an alarm clock, and this will play it for us, wake us up in the morning, or let us know when we got to do something. Pull that out of there. And we got our world clock too, so if you're overseas or just curious about what time it is someplace else. Here, let's check out File Browser. We got our music, playlist, video, pictures, datacast, text, recorded files. Let's just manage all of our files we've got on here. A lot like the music browser. Actually, this looks exactly like the music browser on here. We can go and change our playlist, everything like that. Add to playlist. Now what we also do is delete. We can delete just from the playlist, or if we want to get rid of the file altogether, we don't want that song or whatever on here, we can go ahead and hit delete, get rid of it. I don't really want to get rid of any of the files I've got on here right now though. Let's move on. Settings. Alright, first at the top of the menu we got menu style. Like I was saying before, this is the sparkling menu design that we've got set up right now. It's real nice, the bubbles that come up and stuff. You can go to crystal, and also my skin. My skin is one you can customize with your own photos and things. You can go ahead, that's the zooming and cropping and rotating coming with the photo viewer. And back to sparkling. You can also change your font design on here, so if you want a different font, something more readable or something that you just think looks a little bit nicer, change that. Got our sound menu here. We can check our master EQ. Change all your settings if you want to. Got beep sound. We can set the sound limit, so if you got this for your kid or something, you don't want them going deaf, you can keep the sound limit down for them. I got our display on here. You can turn the display off, set your screensaver, your brightness, save on battery life if you want to on there. So that's a good feature. We've also got library update, change your language, your time, and just system stuff. Let's head back out, and then that goes back to the music menu. That's pretty much everything we've got today for the S3. It's a really good unit, affordable, anything you can need on it. We don't have the Bluetooth, but that keeps the price down on it. It's if you're looking for a medium range, good quality MP3, this is probably the way to go. Text viewer and video and all that. So until next time, have a good day.